Here we have it, the blizzard of 2010. And I'm just walking down my driveway, which I just shoveled because I couldn't get in my house last night. And here's a picture of the house. I don't think we've gotten 5 or 6 inches of snow in Texas since I've been here. I would say there's at least 4 on the house. And depending on where you stand in the street, it could be up to 6 inches. But it's beautiful and it's white. You can see one of my neighbors has got a snowman built in his backyard. All the trees are going to get damaged from the weight of the snow. Looks like it's still snowing, but that's just the snow coming off of the trees. Look at all the snow on the lamps. I don't know if you'll get to see it. I came out and tried to save my trees earlier today. That snow on the chimney.